Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's get started with blending. I'll say each sound, you repeat the sounds, and then we'll blend the word. Ch, a, s. Chase. A, l. Whale. V, e, m. Them. Sh, e, p. Sheep. Sh, t. Shut. K, ash. Crash. B, e, breath. V, is. This. F, ash. Flash. Ed. Thread. Good. All right, let's get ready to punch out some words. So remember, we're pulling the word this way and then punching out that ending digraph sound. The first word is bush. Bush. The next word is church. Church. The next word is both. Both. Leash. Leash. Witch. Witch. Plush. Plush. With. With. Gush. Gush. Booth. Booth. And the last word is cinch. Cinch. Good. All right, now we're going to segment phonemes. So I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to chop it into the individual sounds. The first word is that. At. Those. Those. Chase. Chase. These. These. Wheat. Eat. Okay, so we have some longer words now. Let's do chest. Chest. Good. Sheets. Sheets. This is a long one. It has five separate phonemes in it. Thunder. Here we go. All right, good job. Okay, we're going to get ready to substitute some phonemes, so get your fists ready. The word is drum. Change dr to ch. Chum. The word is plunder. Change pl to thunder. The word is black. Change bl to sh. Shack. The word is crank. Change cr to thank. The word is brick. change br to ch. Chick. Good job. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part, the rhyme, and we'll add the onset, beginning sound, and put them together to make a new word. The word is arc. Add sh to the beginning. Shark. The word is I. Add to the beginning. By. The word is am. Add sh to the beginning. Sham. The word is an. Add to the beginning. Van. The word is. Add to the beginning. Whiz. Good job. Last exercise, we're going to delete phonemes, so we'll take the whole word and remove just the beginning sound. See what we're left with. The word is shape. Without sh, the word is ape. The word is which. Without the word is itch. The word is shout. Without sh, the word is out. The word is chill. Without ch, the word is ill. The word is chin. Without ch, the word is in. Good job.